first time I saw you. That I would hold for so long, that I would grow to know every detail of, every line, every scar, every aging wrinkle.
The Lonesome Traveller.
Or me?
Your book.
Oh.
Happiness lies in realising some other great strange dream. He's a great writer, isn't he?
I haven't read that bit yet.
Oh, sorry. Say no more. Wouldn't want to ruin the ending for you. You kind of like him. The lead character. Quiet. Handsome.
I suppose. This is Mr. It was lovely meeting you.
Is that it?
What do you mean?
You're getting off. Sorry, I'm being ridiculous. Forget it. I'm Emma.
Isaac.